somewhere in the middle of an industrial area in downtown, God knows where, in
Gatineau.
Gatineau. We're in
Gatineau, Quebec.
Okay, we are in Quebec, La Belle Provence. We're here with Neil and Caroline, and we are going to look at Neil's new work here. Now he's making high-end furniture, tables, staircases, cabinets. So we're gonna go from metalwork to woodwork here. We're doing a slow, gradual transition instantly. So this is like the body shop, and then as opposed to the paint booth.
Exactly. So Gatineau is the paint booth.
Oh, cool.
And then here,
look at this. Hey, Matt, you got wood? Wow.
And then we got white elm.
This is white elm?
Yes.
Wow.
That's a tree?
Yes. And then that's...
Un gros bois.
Yeah, and that's acacia.
A gros
Arbre.
Arbre tree, okay. I thought, what's bois? Forest.
Bois is wood.
Yeah. Big wood. Like grand bois. Okay. Ooh, what's this one?
Acacia. That's
Acacia.
imported. That's imported. That's
Okay.
Asian.
What's this one?
Walnut.
Wow.
And that's like, if you want to see like a
Okay,
piece.
so this is the one where you take all this out and then they fill it with the resin.
Yeah.
Right?
So it looks like this when it's done.
Yeah.
Finally, you brought my car back. How are you, Mike?
Hey, you and about 12 other people, you get in line. Très fatigué.
You're on holidays?
Yeah. Well, when you travel this, you're never on holiday.
Holy shit. How are you?
Good, and yourself?
I'm great, thanks. This is awesome. It's a beautiful day.
I'm trying to work on my tan.
Put your shirt on, Mike. You're scaring the children.
Halfway burned.
Well, my arms are good. Face
Wait till you
is
put a
good.
shirt on.
Michael, welcome to Herdman, my
Oh,
hometown.
thank you. You like Avery, don't you? Why not? Because why?
He won't stop swearing.
He won't stop swearing. Well, I'll try just for you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
okay.
I really
How did
like
you-
you more.
You like him more?
Yeah, because you know you're practicing.
He's practicing not swearing.
Yes, I'll practice. 1970? 70? 60?
70.
70, yeah.
70, yeah. Why?
Disais qu'ils n'ont fait tout de cette série-là, qu'il en reste deux.
They made 3 of this series, but there's only 2 left. But c'est quoi? It's a...
À cause du numéro de série.
It's an R code? What is it?
Comment?
C'est quoi le code?
Our code?
Ça, c'est pas moi, là, ça va faire code
That's
R,
not-
je sais pas quoi. Là.
Yeah, it's an R code.
R code, yeah.
QR.
QR.
QR, yep. Drag pack, 4-speed,
Yeah.
right? Posi, suspension setup, the color, the black.
Oh, it's-
Marty report, right?
Ça, c'est quand tu manquais de power shift, le moteur crevait. Pas que le moteur saute.
So the engine didn't explode.
Oh, a rev limiter.
Pour les RPM? Pour
Ouais, mais tu sais, des fois, tu manquais de ton power shift, le moteur tournait vite.
Oh, if you missed your power
coupait.
shift.
Yeah, a rev limiter.
Yeah,
It
okay.
stops it so the motor can't explode.
What?
Yeah.
Right, what? Say yeah. C'est magnifique. Cobra Jet. Mach 1, yep.
Avant, si tu voulais prendre une photo,
Can you sit in it and take a picture? Yes.
Really?
yeah, bon, oui.
Oh, fuck, merci.
Pour prendre la photo?
Hang on. Okay. How the f do you fit in here?
You ready? Where are the other dogs? Let them out.
Ooh, let the dogs out. Come on. Come on. That's a bonhomme. Who's that a bonhomme? Oh,
Jolene,
come on, Julie.
you know, Mike walked you in Kamloops when you were a puppy.
Girl. Yes, what a good girl, Julie.
Where's Firefly? Here's Juno. Where's Firefly?
Hey, Julie, come on. Hey, Julie. Oh, hey, Firefly.
See how nice it is with all the dogs?
I figured there goes my windshield. Holy
Cowboys around here, huh? Beautiful.
beautiful. These girls have been drinking.
We're in Quebec, right?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Brother, my God. Trade dangereux.
Okay, let's go. Stop it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Need a sandwich with tomato.
It's coming. It's coming. I got you one. It's loaded.
Tomatoes,
Oh, yeah.
Bonjour, pardon, s'il vous plaît aussi.
It's so good. That's Quebec. Like talking.
That's why all
But it's
you
a region, right?
That's why all you guys die at 60 from eating this all the time.
Oh, you think we make it to 60?
Hey, thank you.
Hey, Jeff Lauzon speak French, hein?
Jeff.
Oh, yeah, j'ai pas le français, ouais.
Ah oui, il vient du Québec.
Ouais, il vient du Québec, hein?
Take a bite of that. No, there's what you need right there. And
My car has measles. Look at the bugs. Jesus.
will it buff out?
Yeah, I'm buff out. There's no use cleaning it. By the time we get to Fredericton, it's going to be covered with dead bug guts again.
Well, that's what I mean. Yeah, it's good.
Look at the headlights.
Look at the
Look
bug.
at the carnage.
Oh, that's a cool looking truck. Yeah, right, anyway. That's your dad's truck?
Chevy.
Needs a transmission.
GMC.
No, that's why I got to put it in there because I popped the transmission in it. Yeah, I put some tape on it. Yeah, I think yeah.
Water gets in everywhere. You know that.
I know, but look how well they taped that. It's like brand new. 450 horse, it'll make it pop right along. It's different.
No,
That's for sure, right?
yeah, it's different, all right. I mean,
It's one of those things that make you take a second look.
yeah, very cool, very cool. Client's car.
Yeah.
Put right on. We'll send us pictures when it's done.
Yeah, it's probably going to be a minute, but
I seen him yesterday and Chuck says.
Okay, well, we're gonna get the cabin shot. Oh my God.
this is just something we caught. Same guy over the Corvette.
Doing that
Just
one.
Mike.
Oh, nice and tight.
Not fighting any crime in that.
No. I shouldn't say that.
Matt, make sure you understand. I didn't build it. I'm just fix it.
Chad Classic 1 of 1, guys. You seen it right here.
Rams garage. Old Chevy record. Way up enough.
Let's do that, Clap.
Good. Hey, sir.
How's it going?
Good.
Show me what you got.
All right, well, let's go for a walk then. There's one here, there's one back there. That's a Cosworth.
Really? With the 4-cylinder?
With the 4-cylinder in 1974, it's the first electronic fuel injection.
Open the hood. Take a listen in it.
That's kind of hard. Hi. But I got another one. Easier to get to.
No Coxford. Never seen one. Look, Matt.
I put this here this year.
It was in the ground. I'm like, fuck, I gotta fix that.
This is a big money car to the right guy.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, would they make 100, couple hundred?
Oh,
I don't know, right?
not
It's a
too much. Probably, I think 1,300 actually.
Wagon, 68.
69, I believe.
Yeah, they were all the same.
Biscayne.
Yep. This one is stick. Oh, yeah.
That one parked it there. Actually,
Hey, you know what I need?
you need those.
You sell parts? You sell parts? Because I've got ones off of 68.
Yeah, you're telling
These
me.
ones are longer. Because mine only come to here.
And they're 2 inch shorter. Your wipers.
Yep. Yeah, well, I mean, are you selling parts off this?
If you want.
Well, what do you want for these two? I need these. These are originals.
Do you have a grocery cart?
Look at that.
Now you got it.
Wow, Michael.
How easy is that?
That's right. I don't even need a degree in stupidity to get them. Hang on, come on. Parfait.
There. Happy.
Ooh, like, come like gold. What are you laughing at? This is guy stuff. Oh, yeah.
Even if it's chicken scratch,
Yeah.
it'll be fine. There you go. That's perfect.
Hang on.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
You know, thank you, man. Okay, here. Okay.
We try to keep it clean. The only thing I do now is cut the grass.
Hey, well.
But I'm good at it.
Yeah, but you used to grow it, but you're okay now.
But look at the cheese.
Well, who ordered the double fromage?
Well, it's just to make sure we got enough. See how they slice the cheese? And that's the freshest cheese in Quebec that they got.
This is like a meal.
I know, don't eat it all. We should have split it. How good is that? Yeah? Yeah. Again, this is another top 5 place in Quebec.
Morning, guys. Mike here from Rust Brothers. For those of you that don't believe it, I actually do take showers once in a while. As you can see, my hair is still wet. But looking in the mirror, I'm not happy with the old man looking back at me. So we're in Quebec. Montreal, beautiful city, on la Belle Province. And I'm going to go find a barber and get a shave. Looking for a place to knock about 15 years off this ugly old face. I must be putting up some sort of First Nations display here. I'm guessing with the teepees. Beautiful city. I don't know what these arches are for. Anyway, man, it's gonna be a beautiful day in Montreal, man. Hopefully we're gonna get the convertible out. Big bandstand going on here. This is quite the busy place. I'd say about Montreal, they've got their urban transit a lot better than most cities. They've got bike paths, a lot of people on bicycles. You gotta be careful. They're everywhere. Well, they even obey the stop signs. Wouldn't happen in BC. Hey guys, I'm here on St. Catherine Street at 385 Barbershop with Ebad, right? Why?
Yeah, thank you.
Right? Hey, you guys ever here in town? You're downtown, you're feeling grungy, you're looking a little old. If he can make me look this good, imagine what he could do for you. Merci, monsieur.
Thank you.
Well, guys, I just lost 10 years. I'm feeling pretty damn chipper, let me tell you. And after walking about 3 or 4 kilometers, I finally got to where I was going, about 300 feet from the hotel. So anyway, don't trust Google Maps when you're downtown Montreal. Okay, guys, we're leaving the amazing beauty of downtown Old Quebec. Got a little bit of walk around, and you take your days to see it all. But we've got an appointment with Destiny in Fredericton, New Brunswick. It's about a 7-hour drive, so we're gonna start making a mile.
And we're illegally parked. We need to get out of here before we get towed.
That's right. Yes, we don't need a ticket, right, Dave?
You're right, Mike. We don't need a ticket. And let's get there before dark.
But I'm sure if we got one, you'd pay it.
Oh, of course I would, yes.
Yes, okay.
Checks in the mail.
Yes.